Another example of factorising. The only difference is this time we have to be a little bit more careful when finding the highest common factor of the two numbers. That would be the first step. So we're going to find the highest common factor of 6 and 14. So we're going to look at the example on the left first. And if we think about the numbers that can be divided into, we can divide 6 and 14 by, the biggest number that goes into both of those is 2, because 2 times 3 is going to be 6, and 2 times 7 is going to be 14. Okay. So we've identified the highest common factor. The highest common factor can then be written on the outside of the brackets, because remember, factorising is the opposite of reversing brackets. And then we fill in the brackets. We do that by dividing the numbers in the original question by the highest common factor. And then 6 divided by 2 is going to be 3, so we write 3x there. And 14 divided by 2 is going to be 7, because 2 times 3x gives us 6x and 2 times 7 gives us 14. So we're just doing the opposite really of expanding brackets. Okay. For the second one, the highest common factor between 10 and 35 is going to be 5, because 5 times 2 is 10 and 5 times 7 is 35. We've identified the highest common factor, so that can be written on the outside of the brackets. Right. And then we've got to fill in the brackets. We do that by dividing by the highest common factor. So divide 10 by the highest common factor, so you get 2x. 35 by 5 is going to be 7. And because it's the opposite of expanding brackets, we can see that 5 times 2x is 10x. 5 times 7 is 35.